po tayo. Oreo. Triplex. Milo. Fresh milk. Dutch milk. Dutch milk.
Swagger as per docking station is. Supply swagger as per docking station of is. Requested bagay.
Jackie. These two are the most important things I bought. The fresh milk and the Milo. It is rich and nutrients and good for our body. Fresh milk costs 104 pesos and the Milo costs 135 pesos. The total of these two items is 239 pesos. Thank you guys for watching.